Sea turtles can migrate long distances, with some traveling thousands of miles between feeding and nesting grounds. They have a unique ability to navigate using the Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to find their way across vast oceans. Sea turtles are vital for marine ecosystems as they help maintain healthy seagrass beds and coral reefs. Female sea turtles return to the same beach where they were born to lay their eggs, a phenomenon known as natal homing. Temperature plays a crucial role in determining the sex of sea turtle hatchlings, with warmer temperatures producing more females.